up with the dead zombie, get his flesh ate. Like Frankie, then he set bait. Take the death ray, both chest like a sex tape. Let the tech jam him, whole set blame him. Your death random. You a little nigga, we bear hug and chest slam him.
Stupid shit happened, Suge. Where Suge at, man?
Suge left. He got tired of us roasting his ass.
Nah, Suge right there.
No, he said he wanted to come back up. Yeah.
There you go, right there. Hey, Suge, you got anything to say? Suge over here cooking on the Suge going down to the D League and dunking and shit like that and beating his chest.
That nigga played with D'Angelo Mello coming back talking about how cold he was. Nigga.
Suge averaged 35 in the D League and telling him, man, if you don't get the up out of here, man, and get on this real court, man, so we can give you what the you really is.
They went 100-point game against them 5'3" niggas and shit, bragging and shit.
Everybody from a block extra. We never heard of you like a drop Tesla, drop hecklers. I put a blade in the middle of chest like Brock Lesnar.
She'll get mad because he don't get the shots in the NBA. So he goes to the D League and be 360 in the chest to chest in them and slapping the floor. They said, Suge, game over. No, it's not, nigga. More.
That nigga Suge the first round pick for the D League.
Suge was on stage. Hey, Suge had so much negativity in him because he don't get them shots in the NBA. Suge said, no, it's not over. I'm going to keep smashing them to the motherfucking floor. Hey, Suge, there's nobody else on the court, Suge. Suge still dunking.
Suge still dunking. That nigga Suge a bully for real.
Suge go get on the court in the NBA and average 4 and 6 fucking with me, man. What the fuck is you talking
about? Nah, that nigga really left. Nah, that nigga, I'm out of here, man. Suge don't like being joked on.
Suge gonna go in there, he gonna score 6, have 9 turnovers. Talking about he had an off game. No, nigga, this what happened when you play when you supposed to play. And nigga Suge said, "Look, my last 3 games was against the Sacramento Hornets and the and the Golden State Lakers. And I had 35 and 9 both times.
Yo, Suge scored on the Washington Lizards. Talking about he balling.
He's sitting in front of the NBA table. Talking about, so y'all seen what I've been doing? Man, we don't, what the fuck is you talking about, man?
Oh, shit. He gonna learn, though.
You fucking, he gonna learn. And when you talking that shit, I'm like, Suge, that's not what's gonna happen, Suge.
Hey, Verb, Suge said, man, bring this nigga up, dog.
Damn, man, he been saying that his whole
No,
career.
it's funny to leave him there and just keep getting on the bid right now. Easy.
It sounds
stupid. Big baby Davis ass dropping 50.
He was just up there. For real, all jokes aside, I literally dropped 50 on you, bro. Like, I win the face off, the coin toss, and all 3 rounds, my nigga.
All right, man. So what if you don't, Suge? What happens if you don't?
But I am, though.
Niggas got to start putting money on the floor. Why niggas don't put a couple bands on the floor?
But Suge, what happens if
But I am,
don't?
though. I can almost guarantee victory, bro.
All right. Well, guess what then, Suge? Guess
what? Hey, hello, I will.
Yeah, put it up. I swear to God, he won't.
Man, put some motivation. Let's go.
Yo, I swear to God, he gonna walk away with a red motherfucking set. I promise you, don't put. I'm a betting man.
I got money on you.
Huh?
No, I'm betting on you. I got money.
Oh, yes, lit. Then I smoke this motherfucker, man. Whenever, wherever.
I'll take both y'all checks. What the fuck is wrong with y'all? Play ball.
No, the money gotta be on the floor, and the winner take it. They gonna know if it's a clear win. If it's not, you take the money back.
Smoke your motherfucker.
What?
It gotta be a clear win. It gotta be a clear win.
I will give you everything you looking for, Suge, is gonna happen, Suge.
All right, well then let's do it.
Everything you fucking looking for is gonna happen.
November 5th, I can be ready.
But there's different heat. I'll put you under rock like Chris and Neef. The fight ain't over till you missing teeth. Lock it up and start hitting on chest like a prison beat.
It's a bet. Bro, I will smoke you, bro.
Of course you can be ready, but they're not going to be ready to send me the goddamn money for me
No,
to
we
be
all
ready,
going to make the calls this week. We going to make the calls this week.
Games, man. You playing
They're
games now, man.
not gonna be ready to give me the money.
There you
They're
go.
gonna
You
take
gotta
their
come in and
time
ask them
doing
for
that.
100,000, knowing they not gonna give
No,
you
the
that.
fuck I'm not, Suge. I just said, give me what I'm worth, man. There's nothing's wrong with me asking for just give me the money, man. God damn. I will be there, bro. I will fucking be there. I will be right there.
Yo, this nigga funny as shit, dog.
Always right there, man. I will be here, bro. I'm gonna get my. I'm right here, bro. I'm here. I'll be there, man. Whatever's whatever.
I'm telling you, if that's the case, man, Battle Academy doing 1 round, still could bet. I beat you 1 round, bro.
I'm not sparing him with a 1 round, bro.
You haven't beat me a second in any of our rounds, man. What the fuck are you talking about?
I'm just saying. Wait till that shit drop on the app. You gonna be
Bro,
1-9.
Hey, yo, Hollow. Sometimes you don't gotta wait till the end. He know what's up, man.
He know, right?
Yeah, he know
Right.
what's up. He
He's psyching himself out.
Man, he over there
two victims.
smoking that fucking sherm
You
stick,
victim
man.
unit niggas always trying to huddle up.
Yo, you heard?
I'm like, look at you. You niggas so tight. Y'all like,
Verb,
yeah,
you 1-8 on the app. You like the Vancouver Grizzlies.
I
You like
tell
an
the app to
expansion
suck
team.
my dick every time
yo,
I don't give a
Eazy
fuck
over there
what number
smoking
I
that
am,
sherm stick, man. Nigga losing his fucking
That
mind
nigga
over
high
there.
as shit, yo. I tell you, he get high randomly.
Yeah, nigga.
Just whatever drug you can find.
Who the app got you beating Head Ice?
Nigga seeing unicorns and shit.
That's his 1 win. Yeah, Head Ice is his
y'all
one
pick me
claim
one.
to fame.
Listen, y'all don't.
Y'all was dead ass serious about the 1-8 shit?
Bro,
I had to
he's
check.
8
Bro,
and
he
1.
ass.
Yeah,
No,
1-8.
that nigga
He 1-8.
I thought
Yo.
that was fucking.
I let Verb skip the line because I was like, fuck it, I need an extra win on this dog real quick. So it look good. Yes, man. Yeah.
Hey, guess what though? Everybody here. Let me tell y'all something. I get any motherfucking money I want. I go wherever I want, and I get any battle I want. Do anybody want to argue that?
Well, then
No, but you're not. You 1-8
That's
is what we
hey,
saying.
Well, get
Hello,
this
Yeah.
book then.
Hello, brother, you still got fire and
yo,
brimstone on you from last night. Not right
bro,
now. Yes.
There's no excuses. There's no excuses. Get this book then. Since it's like that, then call and get the money and get this book then. Like, since you got it like that, bro.
Nah, this gonna get booked.
No,
Let it
Suge,
happen,
look,
bro.
I'm finna text Beasley right now, Suge.